Everybody knows the game Builders and Bulldozers, where one half of the class are the builders and they stack up the cones, and the other half of the class are the bulldozers and they knock the cones over. Well, this is the variation called Bodybuilders and Bulldozers. As you can see, both groups have to do a burpee or any other exercise prior to either stacking up the cone or knocking it over. In this round, students are doing 4 mountain climbers before they stack up the cone or knock them over. In this variation, I've split up the boys into builders and bulldozers, and I've given each a yard piece of caution tape to tuck into their shoe. The girls that you can see right here are responsible for running around, chasing the boys, and stomping the caution tape out of the boys' shoes on either team. They are not to knock over or pick up any of the cones. Their job is just to take out the tape. Once a boy's tape is taken out, they go off to the sideline, do the designated exercise, and then get back into the game. Enjoy.